Alright, we just climbed down the bridge. Now, make our way back. Across some barbed wire set up by the state government. Most dangerous abandoned railway in the country. There's a do not trespass sign there earlier. But we conquered it. I'm pretty happy about it. Carpenter myth.
Bro, I'm so running. I don't gotta be the fastest, I just don't gotta be.
Aren't carpenter bees nice? Yeah, there's 29 over there. Goes all the way down there to that rail bridge. I think I saw a website that described the history of the bridge, and they said that back in 2008 somebody bought this shit. That's why there's a private property thing posted. But they haven't done anything with it. They were gonna make a trail of it, but never got around it.
Oh shit.
Maybe after they see my video, they'll be like, oh shit, we're gonna make a trail there so when people go there, it's not illegal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I only see the one sign.
Thank you. There's like two right there. There's a third one right there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I see. But that's the line right there. This is not.
Right, we're technically not in private property yet. All right, we're gonna scale this mountain.
Look at the way it's behind the rail. It's down there. That's the rail itself is still up on the top. So it's going to come down here.
I wanted to show you, and then go down the other way. Yep, there it is, the rail. Don't know if you can see it. Look at these peasants down there. Ron, you don't believe the rail's up here? Wait, hold on. Wait, dude, I need something metal. Damn. I know there was a tunnel further down here. You cross through a mountain. Little underpass. Yeah, we're not going through here. Too many thorns.
We're going to go further down and come up with less steep.
Yeah. Oh, I was trying to hold down the...
Yeah, brother.
Don't fucking throw that shit on me.
Thank you. Beautiful.
Oh man, you have fucking 3 shits. Yeah, next time bring my backpack. Were your hikes like this?
Yeah. Yeah,
right.
absolutely.
You gotta bring me one of them. Bring me to another
Oh yeah?
one of your guys' hikes. See, like the rail.
Oh, wow, okay.
Isn't that crazy? And it kind of goes through the, I think at some point if you go, before, remember the bridge that we had to cross? Like, was like one way, or one vehicle could cross?
Yeah.
Yeah, before that there was like a neighborhood you could turn in, and if you go in that neighborhood, part of the rail is like, it goes through the road, but then like, there's another part where it shows the whole skeleton of the rail just kind of sitting there as like preservation, so it cuts through there. Like kind of like a zigzag. But yeah, we could go back down. I just want to show you this.
Yeah, this is why.
Yeah, that's why we couldn't
Go back down? I just got up.
I know. But do you want to go through this? Unless...
I mean, it can be hacked. It can be hacked. This will take us like 30 minutes to get over there. To like,
yeah.
fallen tree.
But if we take like the lowlands, it takes even quicker.
Pretty psyched though, I mean, if you look that way.
Yeah. Woo, look at my long hair. Yeah, this reminds me of like King Kong, or like that Battlefield 1 map, the forest.
So not from the, wait. Oh yeah,
Yeah, the Musar Goon. Yeah,
King Kong, but the Battlefield.
Well, King Kong, they always have giant trees and shit. I mean, the 2005 one.
Going Jack Black?
Yeah.
That's great.
Like, this reminds me of the scene where like the Triceratops thing attacks him.
Slide with it.
Look at the ball. Nutsack. I think it got cancer. Bro, don't touch it. You're gonna spread the spores. Regular growth. I think they have something like that in Mozambique. Mozambique. Why does everyone like that so much? I had the mod for Left 4 Dead where they all say that when they pick up a weapon.
Yeah,
Mozambique. Mozambique.
We were walking through this in the fucking dark.
Yeah.
We had no idea where
We just sped through here. Oh shit. Let me see.
It's on the rock.
Coal? Maybe that's not coal.
With the camera to view. Oh, it's coal.
No, I think that's
You know that's coal?
you know how in science class you learn about peat moss, and then like how in rivers like over time it turns into something really hard and black.
Coal?
I guess. Yeah. I mean, I don't know. I think it was called something else.
No, he's right. It's different like stages, like things are, like
Yeah. Oh man, this feels like I'm at the beach now. Smells like it too.
Fuck, it is not. I worked at the Best Buy that was farther than that, and it was a 19-minute drive.
Oh, I went to that Best. Look, a little underpass.
But anyway, behind the mall, it looks like an office building that was.
Oh.
This makes it easy.
Oh, does it?
Stick real good for balance.
Oh yeah, it's like I have a tail. You know how dinosaurs have like tails, like keeps them balanced.
How is it?
Not bad.
Not bad or bad?
Not bad. No, it's not bad. It's just like there's no
No alternative.
alternative.
It's not really an alternative, is there?
No, because it's like all that's green. Here it's just kind of straight shot.
Technology.
We can rebuild them.
Rebuild the rails. Yo, going back's gonna suck. Oh, look, they got the little rocks here. Oh, they got the wooden panels. You know what that means? Yeah. Oh, fuck. My fingers got a little carpal tunnel there. Yo, I think I see something weird. Yeah, there's like something really white, and then there's some like a stack of logs. I don't know.
Could be a birch tree or something.
That's really white to be a birch tree. Like, there's no pattern to it.
And we're on the other side.
Yeah. Wow.
We're good.
Yeah. They won't suspect a thing.
As long as we're low enough, they won't even see us.
Is that like barbed wire or no? Just concertina wire? No. Oh my god. I just hope no one's like constructing something here, otherwise we gotta bail. This is the part I was talking about, yeah. It's like blown out.
That's what they did. They totally like took dynamite and just.
Right, the mountainside, yeah. And they put giant rocks there to stop growth from eroding. Wow, look at that. This little whatchamacallit, this little stream, it's like met up with the creek right here.
Oh wow, yeah. Oh, so we definitely couldn't have gone further that way. Yeah.
That was 8 years ago? Shit. Those were the good times, man. That was when Russia invaded Crimea.
Oh yeah, hey, they're doing it again.
Yeah, look, 8 years later, oh look, they're invading the entire country. What was that?
That crack? Yeah. I thought you hit it. No.
Got that on tape. Look at that. I think this used to be like a station. See, that's further down. Yeah, we were climbing up here, and now we were.
That's right here, right?
That's like, yeah, either there or here. Oh look, see, there's a gazebo over there.
Oh, that looks nice down there.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're about to go down there after this.
Yeah, nice view here. Yeah, there you go. See the sign? And then it curves. Stay on the steel side.
I'm walking on the steel, bro.
Yeah, this. So it looks intimidating because it's so high up, but this shit isn't gonna fall.
Yeah, you first.
Yeah, you don't trust? Oh. Never had this on film before. Yeah. Just don't look down.
Can't stop looking down.
Don't look down. Look forward. See the river there. Yeah, that was kind of weird. You're not going? Was that?
Yeah. We were on another bridge one time. There wasn't even metal plating, it was just rocks. Like,
what do you mean?
gravel rocks.
Oh, it wasn't like high up like this?
It was high up, but like there was no solid metal plating. It was just these boards and then like gravel rocks in between. But there were points where the rocks were missing and it was just like a hole.
Oh, dark hole.
Big, just like a big hole this wide.
Yeah, I see.
But this metal looks pretty sturdy.
Yeah, it's sturdy. There's a reason why it's still up for like, it's because
Horrible idea.
I know, but like it feels more stable to me.
I mean, you can't fall through.
Exactly, you can't fall through there.
We'll get there. I'll just accompany you. Let's look at the river over there. Isn't that nice? We could, when we come back, we should go down here and just check out the view. It looks beautiful. Looks like that one movie, Bridge on the River Kwai.
I don't know that movie.
There's cars here. Let's keep going. Oh, there's a rail that kind of.
Yeah. Alright, let's keep going where there's land under me.
Alright. Sure they can't see us? Shit. I've never been this far actually. You good? Never crossed over here. Shit. Almost there, man. Oh, it's deer.
Something about me was like, we should go on the other side, and then Boom, the handrail's down on this side.
Yeah, I was gonna say, yeah, there's handrail down. Maybe we should go on the other side.
Like you said, we were on a bridge that was way higher and way fucking.
So this was nothing then?
This was nothing compared to what we were on before. I don't know what it was. It just fucking got me.
We didn't cross that one though.
We did not cross that one, but we went out halfway.
Yeah, it was too much. It gets worse.
How far was it? Like how many times?
Downingtown.
Oh no, I mean how high was the
Oh, dude,
It was farther than that. It was probably like half. It was probably double that. Right?
double that? Oh jeez.
Oh, length? Dude, it was so long.
Was it over a road?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It was huge. I don't know why. And I've been on one that was even higher than that.
Shit.
Or, I
Right.
mean, we know the side we crossed is sturdy, so maybe do that one again. Yeah. That's a thought I had.
Yeah. All right, now this is obvious right here. Oh, we could just get out here. But I do want to show you that. I should have showed you that view first.
It might not even be a bad idea to do that and get on the other side of the river, because there's that bridge that goes across it over by the car.
Say again? The river?
Yeah, I said it might not even be a bad idea to go that way and to get on the other side of the river, because there's a bridge.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
There's another bridge that crosses the river right at where the car is.
And that's why the bolts didn't matter.
Right. I think,
Not that if there were no bolts, we'd be fine, but...
yeah. Now this is. Oh my God! It's so dead here.
High voltage.
Where?
And this is high voltage.
Yeah. Not climbing that.
We've probably visited every part of Evansburg.
Will this park be considered private property, or is it just like the rail park?
Or whoever that guy is that bought it.
Okay.
Well, he doesn't come around.
All right.
I think we can hack through this.
Yeah. Way too much.
Turn around. It's the only option.
Mm-hmm.
There. Did it.
It's a shame. Crazy how this is and that.
They totally planned this.
Totally.
Like all these houses you want.
Totally went through this.
So good. What I had for dinner last night? They're in the airport. This is happening. He's like, yeah, blah 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 blah. And then you made love to 2 Filipino women and a man.
Oh man.
And then Brian's just like stone cold, like, nah, not that she know what I said. Some sort of like Swiss Army wrench. I made that up. I don't know if that's a thing.
I don't think they make that stuff, but this sounds like yeah.
Miniature tool type thing, and we can just take it out here and be able to through it.
Yeah. Extremely dangerous. Trespassers will be prosecuted.
Oh, there's even a grate. This is the part where we wait for the car instead of jumping out.
I mean, we could just go now. There's no car. We have a caveman at work right here. Ooh, yeah.
Fuck!
Damn.